Welcome, in front of me is the OPPO Find X3 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can enable the power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notification panel and look for the power saving mode, which for me is right over here. So once you find it, you can simply click on it, and there we go. As you can see, max brightness is dropped. Additionally, your battery kind of changes the color right here to signify that it is right now in this mode. And there's a couple things happening in the background which the device doesn't really let you know. So number one, and probably the most important one, is the disabling of Wi-Fi and mobile network when the device goes to sleep, and this is considered sleep mode. So it does it to preserve battery, but downside of this is if you rely on getting updates from applications, for instance like Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, stuff like that, that require internet connection, when the device is in sleep mode, you will not be getting anything because it is not connected to internet at that moment. You'll get everything in bulk once you wake up the device again. Now, as you can see, additionally, the screen timeout has been changed to like 10 or 20 seconds, and if you have a higher refresh rate set on this device, it's going to be now set to 60. So all of these things are basically here just to preserve more battery. You can do a couple additional things yourself to preserve it even further, like as an example, turning off one or the other, so the Wi-Fi or mobile network. And if you have things like NFC turned on, hotspot, location, you can disable those to further improve your battery life. And one last thing, it would be the brightness. Now by default, the device does drop the brightness a little bit right here, as you've seen this when I turned it on, but it can be improved even further by dropping the brightness yourself further. Now the brightness itself has probably the biggest impact to your battery life. So as an example, just a hypothetical situation, if as an example right now at full battery you're getting without power saving mode, you're getting what? Let's see, does it actually tell me? I can actually show you. So here we go. Right now with this enabled, let's see, there we go. So power saving mode gives me 1 day and 22 hours of battery life. Right now we are looking at, okay, so normally we're looking at 1 day and 20 hours, so it only gives me 22 hours more. Now if I drop the brightness, let's change it. Come on. It doesn't actually update it, which is a little bit of a bummer. So normally you should see a change right here, but it doesn't actually change it at all. But judging by the fact that we have right now about 100% of battery and gives us about a day of battery life, probably by dropping it halfway we would get additional 8 hours of battery life just for the brightness that we drop to like halfway from max, which right now it's max, or now it's max. So dropping it halfway would give us probably about 5 to 8 hours, I would say. So that is one of the best ways to actually get battery life. But anyway, finishing this off, that is basically how you would enable the power saving mode on this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.